In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft account password efficiently and securely. Whether you're looking to update your password for added security or you're simply ready for a change, this process is both straightforward and crucial for keeping your account safe. Let's dive into the steps. To begin, navigate to the Microsoft account website. Make sure you're logged in with the account you wish to update. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials to gain access. Once you're on your account page, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll find the option to change your password. This spot is specifically designed for users who are ready to enhance their security settings, making it an essential feature for anyone prioritizing account safety. Clicking on Change Password will prompt you to enter your current password, which is necessary to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to ensure that only authorized users can make changes to sensitive information. Now it's time to type the new password you want. When choosing a new password, aim for a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. This diversity in characters increases the strength of your password and makes it more difficult for unauthorized users to guess. Opt for something memorable, yet unorthodox. Something that's not easily associated with you, like your name or birth date. Once you've decided on your new password, carefully type it into the designated field. Remember, as tempting as it may be to choose a simple sequence for the sake of convenience, a strong password is critical for maintaining the security of your account. After you've typed it out, take a moment to double check it. This precautionary step is vital. It ensures that no typos are present, which could unintentionally lock you out of your account or leave it vulnerable. Re-enter your new password in the confirmation field to verify consistency. This double entry system is another security measure that helps you avoid mistakes and confirms your intent. After confirming, you simply need to save your changes. Once your password is updated, be sure to log out and log back in with the new password to verify that the update was successful. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Microsoft account password. Make sure to store your new password in a safe place or use a reputable password manager to keep it accessible yet secure. Changing your password regularly is an excellent habit to cultivate for ongoing digital security. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher.